excited. Oh yes! Hi guys, and welcome back to Archie Hamilton Racing, where this is going to be one of those very surreal videos. You may be aware, you may not be aware, I own a Lamborghini Huracan, and this car has been absent from my channel for quite a while, and I have been saying that it has been coming, that I'm going to be revealing my car very shortly. In today's video, I feel I'm effectively picking up a new Lamborghini because I mentioned that there are body parts going on the car to totally transform the Huracan, make it into a new animal. Not only that, a colour change, and one big colour change as well. I asked for you guys to help me out and see what colours we should go for. Colours, one colour on the car, and there were so many comments, and what I wanted to do was something different. So this is just going to be totally mad, and it's something you probably won't be expecting. And like things are pretty bad on this channel, I like to push the boat out a little bit, and I've done that on this one. But not only that, the body parts on it look incredible. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be heading to Dub Customs, and honestly, this feels like I'm picking up a new Lamborghini. It really does. It's not real. After last week, I picked up my Range Rover Sport SVR, and I just want to get it back and get it in my garage next to it, and it's just going to be one of those dreams. It's going to be a dream day. Honestly, I feel like I'm collecting a new car. So what we're going to do is we're going to enjoy this one and go and collect the Lamborghini Huracan with its all new look. We're just going through.
Hate this tunnel.
Mate, they what? You're fine in this.
You've killed me off here, mate.
No. Oh, straight, bit left.
It's got spaces, it's a very wide
Oh,
car.
no, but they want to come through.
You're distracting me. This is a... Look behind, there's a Cayenne.
That Cayenne is not going to get through. Have we made it very successfully? Mr. TG has kindly given me a lift.
We're back in the Golf GTI.
We're back in the Golf GTI.
Always in this thing.
We are always in this thing.
Yep.
You love it.
I do.
Are you excited to
Very.
pick up the Lamborghini?
Yep.
It's been absent for a little bit.
You've shown me snippets of it,
Yeah.
and I don't know what to think at this point.
I don't know whether I would have revealed the colour at this point, but it's going to be bold. Plus, body parts from 1016 in America.
1016 are very, very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
They did your Aventador wing?
My Aventador S wing was from 1016.
Yeah.
Yes, they did a superb job of that. Lovely finishing. Very nice stuff.
Well, I had the rear wing. You know I had the rear wing. It just makes a Huracan, doesn't it? Let's be honest.
Yeah, it does. They need a wing.
They need a wing. That is like the key. And then I thought we can go one step very much further. and then I was speaking to Peter at 1016, and then I realised that there was stuff like you could do the rear diffuser, you could do the side skirts, you could do the front splitter, you could do the carbon bonnet, and everything else.
Yeah.
So I went all in.
It's brave, but I've seen other Huracans that have had that treatment to it.
Yeah.
Not in your colour, and it does look really good. And it does actually, and I'm a massive OEM fan, it looks better than the Perf. There, I said it. I think that Huracans, Lamborghinis in general, you can have a bit of fun with them, and it's not actually that bad. It's kind of, yeah, I think it's acceptable somehow.
Would you do anything to, no, you wouldn't do anything to SV, that'd be stupid.
I would probably leave the SV alone to an yeah, I'm probably going to leave the SV alone, but I think Huracan is a good car to have a lot of fun with. If you did that to a 458, an 812, an F12, again, I'd want to fight you, but I think Lamborghini... Is there a wild bean up here?
No, it's not wild bean. We're always looking for wild bean cafes on the motorway because we get hungry and we very much like their chocolate croissants. Well, I do.
Well, you do, yeah.
And their sweets. Help, I'm telling people this. I've just arrived at Dub Customs, and it is time to collect and reveal my new Lamborghini. I'm going to say new. Do you know what? I'm actually going to say new here because effectively it is. It's totally different to what you guys have seen before. You've seen the car with its stock wheels. You've seen the car with the new wheels, which are now off the car. It's gone back to the stock ones because we know the situation with that. I've gone for a very bold colour. Thanks to the guys at Hexis, they have kindly supplied me with satin purple chrome material, and if you would have seen the Audi R8, you would have known I never got over the fact of just how good purple looked on a car. So I thought with the orange calipers and this satin chrome could be the answer. So I called the guys up at Dub and I was like, guys, can you get hold of satin chrome? It's never sort of been done, and let's go for something different. And they kindly spoke to the guys at Hexus, and we all made it happen. But what we did make happen is that the 1016 boys in America, they sorted me out with a full body kit for the car. This is the colour which we have chosen. This is satin purple chrome. It is mental, and just have a look on the shine of that. It's not gone chrome, like not all chrome, because I do realise that at that point I'm probably getting abused online. But this, the shine of it in everything, and I think it looks classy as well. This has been a really tough job, the guys here have said, because this material, so it's chrome, and then layered over the top of that is like the satin finish. So you can't even rip this. Literally impossible. So it's been a really tough job, and for them to do this in 3 days, unreal. It's so thick, it's mad. But the Lamborghini is purple. Dun-dun, dun-dun. I want to go see it now. So let's go through. Introduce the car with this colour on it, and then we're going to get it outside. It's chaos, isn't it, Tom?
It is chaos.
Just have a look at this. Oh my good God. This is a different beast. I can't quite believe it. How good does this colour look? You probably will think it looks terrible. First of all, you can see that my old wheels are back on the car, but that's the least of our worries at this point. This diffuser is new, and this is 1016. They know exactly what they are doing. Look what they've done. It is unbelievable. Look at the diffuser on the back. This is all one piece. It is just unbelievable. All carbon fibre on the back. We now have added carbon fibre side skirts to the side, which gives it that wide look. This is a bit of you. You like this?
I wanted to hate it, but I actually really like it.
Yeah.
It's good.
It is mad, isn't it?
It looks actually better than a Perth.
It's ridiculous.
It's really good.
It is sick.
You've wound me up.
Aaron, do you like it? Right, so this is sick. This side skirts, that comes down all the way down there, and the orange works so well. But look at the finish on just how well this wrap is as well. 3 days they did this. 3 days!
And what they were saying earlier, I don't know whether it's in the video yet, but the material they've used doesn't stretch at all, so it's extremely hard to wrap with. I can't believe how well they've done it. They absolutely nail it here, the boys. They absolutely smashed it.
They actually smashed it. Like 3 days. 3 days. And what I love, what they've also done, is how they've left the roof normal, because it all goes as one with the back and everything.
Sick. The boys here have smashed it.
Yeah, they have absolutely smashed it. And then we're going to walk to the front, and then we can see exactly what has gone on here. You can now see we have a different bonnet on the front of my Huracan. This is because 1016 have sorted me out with a full carbon fibre scooped bonnet. And this is the first car in the country which has had the full kit. So that bonnet is all one piece, and that looks utterly absurd. But then if we go to the front, we can also see I now have a front carbon fibre splitter. A lot of people said, why are you not going to lower your car? This is exactly why. That'll be coming off at the first speed bump. Yep. If you lower it. That bonnet is a game changer, isn't it?
Mayhem.
Carbon. Finish of it is utterly mad, because
it's a very nice weave, if you don't mind me saying so.
Yeah.
Yep.
Very nice weave, yes. Love the shine of when you're like under different lights, it has different sort of look to it. Oh. The car is started. Oh yes. Here it is. Oh yes. So it is time to get the Huracan outside. Oh yes, I cannot wait to show you guys what this is looking like. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my good God, I cannot believe that is my car. Should we do it? Should we do it like we always do? We should do it with music. 3, 2, 1, go. my effectively new Lamborghini Huracan, as some seagulls are causing chaos. Anyway, how cool is this? I honestly could not be happier with this. A satin purple chrome, which it is. Honestly, I hope you guys get the chance to see this in person sometime, because it just is shining in so many different lights. Honestly, look at that. It just looks absolutely mega. And what just the biggest difference is not just the color, but the body kit is honestly, I'm not a massive fan of all that sort of stuff, but this just suits it so well, and it changes it massively. And what I like is that the bonnet and the front splitter, it gives it like that lower sort of stance now, so the car looks like, it looks a bit more than a Huracan. It looks just chaotic, doesn't it, Tom?
I'm really pleased with you.
You're pleased for me, and you're not always pleased for me. You usually think I'm going to ruin something, and it very, very rarely pleased me. But it is sick, and obviously this now joins the SVR, and that is chaos.
At that point.
At that point. As you can see, the sun is changing all the time on the outside of it. It does look good with this massive rear diffuser, which we have here, doing it with the stock wheels and the wing, and like Tom points out in his video, which you will see, this black going through all the way through. We just let Dub do that, and they did all of that with the mirrors. We've left black as well, but it's this angle here when you look at it and you just think, that is utter madness. Carbon everywhere. This is carbon, that is carbon, and it just gives it the look. And I'm super happy, obviously, now that the wheels are stock. It makes me sort of just think, yeah, I'm fine to drive it now, which I am going to be driving it home, but come on. A lot of exciting stuff coming up with this car. Coming up, I saw that we're going to do road, we need to take the cars on road trips and all sorts, yeah, because look at it from this angle. Look at that, walking around it, the colour changing. We just moved it a little bit over here. Oh my good God, it's changing in all angles. This car is changing all the time. The colour is so cool. Oh my, look at that. Look at the presence of that. Oh my God, it is unreal. I can't wait to just get back in it. I'm going to get back in it, I'm going to drive it back to London, and I'm just going to enjoy this, because this is a dream come true. Even to own this Lamborghini, you guys have been amazing. You've supported my journey. This joins my Range Rover Sport SVR in my garage, and there's going to be a lot of adventures coming up with it. I just cannot wait, and I'm so happy. I didn't necessarily go down the Aventador route, and I've basically modified something to make it my own, and that really is a one-off piece, and it's just, I'm so happy with it. Honestly, in person, the satin chrome looks so good, and it's just wicked. Purple is back, and oh, it's amazing. Anyway, what I will do is I will leave all the details for Dub Customs down below. Make sure you go and check them out. They do an amazing job. They're one of a kind. The nicest people. They're lovely, and they look after you. They really, really do. So if you have sort of window tints or anything from pinstriping to PPF to a wrap, get in touch. And also 1016 for the body parts, and what they have done, they've transformed my car. It's amazing, and I love it. So I'll leave 1016 details down below, and also Dub Customs. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get driving back to London in my Lamborghini Huracan. You're coming home, baby. I'll see you all very soon. Don't forget to subscribe.